Hello everyone, welcome to Integrated Study course. Over the 6 weeks, we learned about reverse engineering and 3D printing to create some really cool bike accessories. We learned how to take a 3D printed object, study it, change it to something useful for your bike. Today, I will be showing you the top project from our class. These projects represent some of the most innovative and functional ideas developed using cutting-edge technologies to enhance biking experience. So let's start with the first project. Rain cover for the seat. The first project, the rain cover for the seat, began with a student to receive a 3D random part and they task to transform it into something useful. So they designed practical, durable solution for protecting the bike seat from rain and sun. 3D printing allowed for quick design changes, customizing the fit and adding features like drainage channels and texture grip. So mudguard. Next we have the mudguard. The simple but important accessories help to keep the rider clean and dry by stopping the mud and water from splashing up. The student started with a random 3D printed part and turned it into something useful. They improved the shape and made work even better by providing more protection while still being aerodynamic. It can also be tilted at any angle, fitting any bike. The result is strong, easy to install guard and make biking more enjoyable. Bike wall mounts. And this project focused on creating a smart way to store the bikes without taking much room. So starting with a random 3D printed part, as usual, the student made useful bike wall mount, ensuring the final design resembled the original part they were given. Their goal was a mount that could be useful, hold any bike without using lots of space. The final design, strong, adjustable and fitting most of the wall, which is great for apartment, student accommodation or small spaces. It's simple but effective way to keep bikes safe and out of the way. Let's see the video. Thank you. Bike stand. Moving on, we have the bike stand. The accessories provide stable support for bike when they are not in use, keeping them upright and secure. Starting as usual with 3D printed part, which is a random 3D printed part, the student create functional bike stand that resemble the original one. In the images, I am attaching the original one and the final product. They designed it to be compact, easy to put together, and able to hold different types of bikes. The project combined practicality, style, and making it a great addition to any garage and storage area. Light indicator. Number 5. Cyclist safety is the key, and this project is aimed to improve visibility, especially in the night. So starting with random 3D printed part, the student created useful working light indicator. This device attached to the back of the bike, providing clear turn and brake signals. They designed and built the entire electric circuit, including handlebar control for the rear lights. They used rechargeable batteries and easy to install. The indicator help rider feel safe, especially in the night when there is low visibility. In this video, they are showing how it's functional. You can control it from the handlebar and you can turn right or turn left or press the brake button whenever you need. Okay, paddle extender. The paddle extender project creates wider pedal for better comfort and stability, especially for rider with wider feet. Starting with random 3D printed part, the student designed a 3D printed working extender. They incorporated a groove-like regular paddle for grip. The underside was lighting without sacrificing the strength, and the shape was carefully designed for comfortable fit. The extender easily attached to any pedal, improving foot position and reducing strain for variety of riders. And let us know in the comment which of the top accessories that you favorite. Thank you, and I'm happy to answer all your questions. Thank you very much.